Yeah. Hey, listen. The Lord, I pray he gonna save him. Lord, we gonna get him in the graving. We been misbehaving. Hey, you need to stop all that slaving. Enslaving the righteous. Listen. The Lord loves the righteous. Listen. I got a nigga on my side. I got a demon on my back and a heathen on my right. Hey, but I'm gonna put up a fight. Stick it out, hit the nigga like Mike. Hey, and you ain't know I was nice. On the beat, I could flow like ice. Ooh, that's stuck like a block mic. Hey, you people just like mice. Snitching on your brother. And then run and tell your other brother, hey, that you kissed his mother. And you ain't even had no other rubber. Didn't use no rubber, you can call me. Any city you can fall B. And in the rap, sure we gon' ball B. Cause you know what I'll be. Not on the street. Not on the feet. Will be flapping my wings. And then the Lord, he gon' sing. Praise to the people that do his work. That will go and put up a hurt. Put up the skirt. And not look up her skirt. Hey, I had a nigga that gon' ride. But I lost the nigga, he done died. I say, pray the Lord. I guess I'm gonna be by myself, G. And I ain't never be by myself, I ain't lonely. I got a girl that she ride for me. I got my dog beside of me. And first one is where I'll be.